guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today we are sewing block 9, which is the Peony star from the Barnstar sampler quilt. So let's get started. Alright, so we are sewing the Peony block, which is block 9 in the Barnstar quilt. And we are going to be starting with pieces A and pieces B, and we're going to sew them together to make 2 at a time half square triangles. So now we are going to take our D pieces and 4 or 8 if you're doing 2 blocks of your half square triangles, and we are going to attach them like this. Now we are taking our C pieces and the other half of our half square triangles, and we are attaching them like this. Alright, so now we have these units and these units, and we are going to be sewing them together like this. Alright, so we are going to take the remainder of our C pieces, and we are going to take our F pieces, and we are going to do the top corner. Now we've snowballed this top corner, we are going to take our E pieces and snowball the bottom corner on the opposing side. So these are all pressed now, and we are going to take the remainder of our F pieces and snowball the other top corner. Alright, now we are going to take the remainder of our E pieces and we are going to snowball the other opposing corner, which is our other bottom corner.
Alright, so I thought that I had my microphone on, but I didn't. But you're about to see me sew on these top pieces and then these bottom pieces. Okay, so now we're going to take these two pieces and join them together like this. Alright, now our pieces look like this, and we are going to take the other piece and attach it to the side like that. And our stars are starting to come together. So now our pieces look like this, and we're going to take the other ones and attach them to the other side, just like that. So now we are just joining our rows together. Alright, now we are taking these eye strips and sewing them onto both sides of our blocks. So now we have our J pieces, and we are going to sew these strips along the top and bottom. All right, guys, this is our finished barn star. This is the peony star, and
boy, it is definitely a very different feel than all of the other ones that I've done so far. Much darker feeling, I think, just because of the darker fabrics that I chose. Now, I will say that I'm kind of not in love with this very narrow border that we put all the way around. I'm not really understanding why we're doing that, because the other blocks haven't had that. I'm guessing it's because when it was drafted, the designer maybe was a little bit short on this block to fit it into the quilt. So she made up the discrepancy with that border. But I don't know. Maybe she just felt it needed to be separated apart from the other blocks more. Guess we'll just have to wait and see. But I do like it, and I think it offers a nice little variance in the design, which is what we want, right? Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.